Hello everybody, welcome to Space Engineers. Okay, I don't think I've shown you the inside of the bridge of our lovely large ship. So here we go. And one of the things I put in were some nice LCD screens because I wanted to be able to show some nice information. So I've been doing some programming, and one of the things I thought is we have lots of cargo holds. It's going to be quite confusing to know exactly what we have and don't have in stock. So I thought I'd write myself a little inventory management system. So I'll paste this code down below in case anybody's interested. I don't know how to use the workshop yet, but we'll maybe do that later. So it's relatively simple. So basically we scan through each of the terminal blocks. If any of the ones that we're interested in, we pick out their inventory. Now what I discovered is certain things, it makes sense if you look at the UI, like the refinery and the assembler have two inventories. Right, so basically I also scan those, and then once we've got that, we display the contents. Now, displaying the contents was by far the most interesting because, again, common sense, we're not using a fixed width font. So what that means is every letter is a different width. So if you're trying to have like a display in columns, and obviously each of the words will be a different length, that totally screws you up. So I did a little bit of digging, and I mean, I'm sort of used to doing this from normal programming, but I have access to more information. So on the Keen Software forum, I found this very nice entry. Damn, I should have credited the name of the person who did it. I'll look that up and put that below. So what he's done is he's got the character widths. So you can see here we have a helper method. Where are you? Get string width. So you feed in a string, and basically it just counts the width of the characters. Okay, so combination of that and code gives us this. So what we have is, it's not perfect. You can still see it's a wee bitty meh, but good enough. As one of the sayings at the start of the game, an engineer thinks something is good enough, right? So you can see what we have stock in our big ship. I wonder if I should up the font. So you can see we've got some ore, but we don't have that much ore, right? And this should be updating every 5 seconds, I think it is. So we've got ingots. We're quite short of uranium, judging by the size of that. And the rightmost column is the components that we have in stock. So we have construction components, interior plate, bulletproof glass, blah 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 blah. Okay, so that gives us an idea. Now, my original intention was to go further and basically try and guarantee a stock. So for example, if we had less than 1,000 steel plates in stock, the inventory management system would order more up. But I do not believe we have access to the production thing. So I'll have to do that manually. So let's have a look. What don't we have? We don't have a lot of reactor components, meh. Let me think. Let's just pop in. Let's pop into the command chair. Okay. And sportingly, you'll know I'm too far away to actually read the damn screen. I didn't put it close enough. Oh well, we live and learn. Right. So if we just go K, let's have a look at what we're producing. Right. So we can't produce any more ammo. We can't produce any thrusters. Right. What do we think we're missing? Available gold. Okay, so let's go into our inventory. Okay. Is it under that or that? Okay. So gold looks to be a problem. Okay, that's useful information. So we can't produce that. We can produce interior plates. So what we'll do is we'll just go up. Oh, we're in there already. We know we've got to finish off our hangar deck, so we're probably going to need a lot of those. Right, no point building those, we can't do them. And we'll just basically keep the systems building. Right, okay. And if we look here, we're at 4% power, and we've got 2 days of power. That's fine. Oh, why did it come out of that? Get in there. So let's have a look at... No. Sit down. Okay. Right, so let's have a look at our refineries. Okay, so you're doing uranium, you're doing silver. So we only have 2 refineries on board. Okay. Right, I thought we had more. Right, that's interesting. So, there's maybe an improvement we can make to the ship. More refinery capacity. We have a lot of assembly capacity, but not much refinery. Okay, right, so really just a mini episode to show you the inventory management system. Okay, so I'll be back later with our first forays out into deep space. We need to go and pick up the Robo Miner and possibly shoot at some pirates. Oh, the excitement. So, as usual, thank you for watching.